Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you an awesome product called Hot Shine Tire Spray. It's by Meguiar's. This gives tires that deep black wet look that look awesome. As you can see right here, we've got a tire. It looks kind of bland. It's a little grayish. Nothing special. It's dry, so it's not wet at all. There's nothing there. So what we're going to do is real simple. Take this Hot Shine and kind of go right around the tire. Just like that, and look at how nice it looks. It's beautiful, it's black. Now you say, well, yeah, that's because you just sprayed it, it's wet. But don't worry, we'll let it dry and it will still look exactly like that. So we'll let it dry, sit here for a little bit, and let it come back. 5 minutes. As you can see, the tire still looks pretty wet, looks nice. It's not wet though. As you can see, I can run my fingers across. There's no droplets, there's no film, there's nothing there. It's a dry tire, but it looks nice and black. Now, I don't have a before, but you can rewind the video. But if you look up here at the top, you can see this light gray color. That's what the tire looks like before. You can see the droplets. There's the after, how nice and dark it looks. So, I really recommend you get some Hot Shine. It's by Meguiar's Tire Spray. It is in the description below. You can grab a link to it to purchase some and have it shipped right to your door. And also feel free to subscribe to the channel for more videos.